interrogator. Miriam. Wow. What do you say? Thank you, Miriam. Put your bag.
You gotta count it.
Does the spider want to go up the slide?
She knows.
And if you get the addition wrong, you lose everything.
Daddy!
Including the original 67.
Daddy!
What?
Help!
Oh. You know who's throwing out the first pitch tonight?
I'm the former. Whee!
W is throwing out the first pitch. Can she just keep that on all the time?
I know. She's so cute.
There's a bug on your rug.
Step on it.
Your dog has bugs.
It's okay to be playing with the World Series in November when it's in Texas and San Francisco. Right?
Bug crushing.